Hey guys, it's Bear here with Journey to Preparedness, helping you prepare not only for your doomsday, but your everyday. Today's video, we're going to show you how to make tooth powder. Tooth powder, what's that, you ask, huh? Well, it's a natural, healthy alternative to the chemical-laden toothpaste you're probably buying in the store and most of us use for all our lives. Truth is, that stuff's really not good for you, and I can vouch for the fact that the tooth powder actually really does wonders for your teeth. I'm not one to go to the dentist very often. I don't really care for them. Most of us don't, right? I took a lot of time before, between going to the dentist, and to be honest, I had to do a really deep cleaning. My gums were kind of hurting. I started doing oil pulling and switched to tooth powder, and through that, naturally, my gums actually really helped return back to where they should be. The dentist actually said, wow, this looks really good, you must be doing something right. And really all I did was I did oil pulling and tooth powder. I switched to tooth powder instead of using the toothpaste I used to use. Oil pulling is another thing that's great for your teeth. That's simply just taking coconut oil and get a tablespoon, put it in your mouth, swish it around for 10 to 20 minutes. I usually do it while I'm in the shower. Before I get in the shower, I take a spoonful, I jump in the shower, and while I shower, I swish it around my mouth. When I get out of the shower, I spit it out. That's it, it's that simple. Swish oil around your mouth, 10 to 20 minutes, and spit it out. Make sure you don't spit it out in your sink or in your toilet, because you don't want oil in your pipes, okay? That could cause a whole nother issue. Spit it in the garbage, and then brush your teeth. It works really well, and I'm telling you, it's healthy, it's natural, it's a great alternative to any of the chemicals that you're going to get, and it's going to be so much better for your teeth. That being said, let's get into it. Alright guys, so here it is. I'm just going to put it together for you. It's real simple. There's only a few ingredients you need, and like I said, this stuff works awesome. I highly recommend it over any toothpaste you can buy. You can make it yourself real quick. It lasts a long time. And you buy this stuff in bulk, and it goes on forever. So you need 4 tablespoons of the bentonite clay. This is the stuff I use. I'll leave a link in the notes here for you to purchase it on Amazon. In fact, I'll leave a link to all the ingredients on Amazon for you. So 4 tablespoons of the bentonite clay, 2 tablespoons of the baking soda, oops. If it's a little over, a little less, it's fine. It's not a big deal. Doesn't have to be a perfect recipe, just to your liking. Okay? I'll stand by 1 second. I forgot the salt. All right, 1 teaspoon of salt. Put that in there. Okay, salt. Now you can add your own herbs and stuff like that. This was the recipe I found, and I actually kind of changed it a little bit because I don't really. It called for cloves, and I don't care for cloves, but you can add that if you want. It's half a teaspoon of cinnamon and a half a teaspoon of sage. And then I do a half a teaspoon of activated charcoal. You can leave this out if you want, but I highly recommend it. It's a natural teeth whitener, although it is kind of dirty a little bit, and it will make your teeth a little black. I'm going to be honest with you, but it washes right off. Like as you're brushing, you'll notice your teeth are black, but then after that, it washes right off. So it is the activated charcoal is a natural teeth whitener. So I highly recommend using that. So you're going to want 15 to 20 drops of the peppermint oil. Okay. And then you just mix it together. Like so. Get it good and mixed up. And the peppermint oil is great because it actually kind of gives it a really good flavor. You can see it's kind of grayish. You get that good and mixed up. so. And then I just put it in one of these little jars here, and I keep this, you know, where I would keep my toothpaste in the bathroom. And then all you do is you open it up, you get your toothpaste wet, you dip it in there a little bit on your toothpaste, and brush your teeth. It's super simple. So like I said, guys, this is it. That one little batch makes about 1.5 jars this size, and all you do is, like I said, wet your toothbrush, dip it in, and brush your teeth with it. It's got a natural tooth whitener, and it's not chemical laden like all the other toothpaste you're going to get in the store. So you want to provide yourself with a healthy alternative to the toothpaste that is really wrecking your teeth. Go ahead and start with this tooth powder, and don't forget the oil pulling. All right, oil pulling and this natural tooth powder, and you'll be set to go. All right. Thanks for watching. Again, hit the like, hit the subscribe. Check out the website, journeytopreparedness.net. Check Amazon check out the website for our Amazon links for our recommended items. Check the notes here in the video for links to the products that we used here to make this tooth powder. Check out our Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Check out the blog posts at the website. Check out the podcast. That'll be up. The first one should be up now, so give that a listen. Thanks for watching, and until next time, peace, love, and all the above.